In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Dropbox. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable way to grab a file from your Dropbox account using a web browser. I'm demonstrating in Chrome on a desktop, but the process is nearly identical in other modern browsers. Start on your Dropbox Files page and locate the file you want to download. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar if you know the file's name. When you see it in the list, look to the left of the file name and click the small checkbox. That selection tells Dropbox which file you're working with and reveals the actions you can take. If you have a lot of items on the screen, double-check you've selected the correct file by confirming the name and details before proceeding. Once the file is selected, shift your eyes to the top action bar. You'll see a download button along with other controls. Click Download. Dropbox will immediately begin the transfer. For smaller files, this usually starts right away. For larger files, you might see a brief moment while Dropbox prepares things, especially if it's a folder that needs to be packaged into a zip before downloading. There's also an equally easy alternative. Instead of using the checkbox in the top bar, move to the right side of the files row and click the three dots. That opens a drop-down menu with actions for that specific file. Choose Download. Both methods do the exact same thing, so use whichever feels more convenient in the moment. As soon as the download starts, you'll see it appear in Chrome's download tray. Depending on your Chrome settings, that might show up at the top right as a downloads icon or near the bottom of the window as a shelf. You'll see a progress indicator while it's transferring. Let it finish, especially for larger files. Once complete, you can click the file right there to open it immediately. If you want to find the file on your computer later, open your system's Downloads folder. That's the default save location for Chrome unless you've changed it. If you've set Chrome to ask where to save each file, just choose the folder you prefer when prompted. That's it. Your file is downloaded and ready to use. Whether you click the checkbox and use the top action bar or tap the three dots and chose Download, the result is exactly the same. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly downloaded file from Dropbox.